Hello everyone. Now I am going to take a seminar about the topic order Archaeopetrigiformes and order Phonicopetriformes. Here we are going to discuss about order Archaeopetrigiform. Its subclass Archaeo Archaeonithus and example Archaeopetrix lithographica. A brief account on its discovery and evolutionary significance. Archaeopteryx is an order of primitive birds that level in the lived in the Jurassic and possibly the Cretaceous. It including one of the oldest and most level known fossil bird, Archaeopteryx. The salient features of Archaeopteryx is it's a long tail provided with bicellary arranged retrixes and supported by 80 to 20 caudal vertebrae without a pygostyle. It's a very primitive wings with little powers for a true flight, free carpal and metacarpal and three clawed fingers. The curved and enameled teeth. It's set in a socket in both jaws. The vertebrae is amphiocylus, keelless sternum, and the slender thoracic lips without unisate process. The presence of abdominal ribs. These are the salient features of Archaeoteryx. The it consists only of a single order named Archaeopetrigiformes. Archaeopetrigiformes. The selected example of its Archaeopteryx lithographica. It's a picture of Archaeopteryx. The, the Archaeopteryx as an is a primitive fossil bird which lived in the late Jurassic some 40 to 50 million years ago. Its fossils were first discovered by Andreas from the Upper Jurassic lithographic limestone beds of Bavaria in Germany. The name Archaeopteryx lithographica was later on given by von Meyer. The second and more complete fossil specimen was obtained in 1877. 1877. The most striking features of Archaeopteryx is the presence of long terminal tapering tail provided with bicellary arranged retrix and supported by 80 to 20 morphicaudal vertebrae. Pygostyle is absent in Archaeopteryx since caudal vertebrae are unfused. The bones are not pneumatic. The vertebral column is primitive. It's a little or no fusion of vertebrae. Individual vertebrae are either amphicylous and amphipatalian, as in Synopter, which with no trace of a heterocylous condition. The sacrum is made up to only 66 vertebrae, as in orthenopod dinosaurs. The Cervical and thoracic ribs are devoid of uncinate process. The sternum is small and keelless without ribs and articulated. The absence of keel indicate the absence of powerful flight muscles. The skull of Archaeopteryx is large and typically avian with a rounded carnium. The beak is short and jaws are armed with the set of sockets of the jaw bones. The forelimbs are slightly modified into feathers, each thumb 3 clawed digits. Metacarpals are free without the avian carpometracarpus. The scapula of pectoral girdle is slender and typically avian. The hind limb and pelvic girdle have avian and reptilian features. Then thin abdominal ribs similar to those found in cynopod and crocodiles. The evolutionary significance of Archaeopteryx is interesting combination of reptilian and avian features. So, in the strict sense, it is neither a true reptile or a nor a true bird, but it is intermediate between reptilian and birds. The reptilian features of Archaeopteryx. The major reptilian features of Archaeopteryx are it's a toothed jaws with peg-like hornodont and thecodont teeth. Its bone is non-pneumatic, long, terminally tapering tail, supported by free posteriorly tapering caudal vertebrae as in lizards. The vertebral centra amphiocylous, as in Cynophodon. The free and unfused trunk, caudal vertebrae. Pygostyle absent in Archaeopteryx. That's a major reptilian features. The and the other features are cloud digits and free carpals and metacarpals without carpometracarpus. Reptilian numbers of phalanges in the forelimb. Small, poorly developed and keyless sternum. The small cerebellum. Elongated and backwardly directed pubics. And the avian features of Archaeopteryx. The presence of counter feathers over the body, remiges on forelimbs and rectus on tail. Forelimb is modified as a wing with 3 fingers. The hind limb elongated with 4 clawed digits, backwardly directed hallux. The avian number of phalanges in hind limb. The in the foot tarsometarasus is present. Pectogirdle V-shaped furcula. The large skull with a rounded cranium. Large orbits and fusion of skull bones. The elongated jaws. Forming beak. Warm bloodlets. It's a it's all about reptilian features and avian features. And Now, here we discuss about the order Phoenicopetriforms. They are the group of water birds which comprises flamingos. The salient features of this order are large, very long leg and long necked water birds. Its age is 31.5 and 60. Its habitat is shallow, saline, brackish, and alkaline water. They are distributed in South Africa, including Galapagos. In the order, the selected example is Phoenicopetrus. Its distribution is they are found in the country South America, West Indies. The major features are large wading breed with reddish pink plumage. They lay a single white egg on mud in between May and August. They are usually monogamous. Adaptation, they are adapted to shallow water environment in several ways. It has evolved a long neck and large webbed feet to walk and sit up in the bottom of water bed to bring up their food source. The migration, they are migrate short distance to ensure that they get enough food or due to disturbance in their current habitat. It's all about the features of order Archaeopetrix and Phonico forms. Here we are concluding my words that we have studied about the character, physical features, silent features of the archaeopetriforms and also uh, reptilian features, avian features, and also we discuss about the order Phoenicopetriforms, about its distribution, physical features, and about American flamingos. And then, thank you.